Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create wireframes in Miro. So it's quite easy and I'll show you step by step how to do that. Firstly, you need to sign up on Miro. So for that we're gonna open the browser and in the search bar we're gonna type Miro. This kind of websites will open and the one where we need to click is this one right here. Click on that, and once the website is open, here you can see that here you'll see all of the details about like how you can use this site and like what kind of features they offer you. Like if you look at this, work your way in a single customizable platform, here they offer you customer journey mapping, technical diagramming, prototyping, and this is the one where we're gonna access the feature wireframing. Here thousands of templates are available which you can use if you want. So firstly we're gonna sign up here. So for that what we need to do, just click on sign up free. Then here either you can enter your email address and create your account, or also you can sign up here by using your Google account. I'm gonna proceed with Google account, so that's why I'll click on sign up with Google. Choose your Google account here. Here let's click on continue, and yeah, you can see that the account is successfully created. Mine one was already created, but either if you are creating your account for the first time or if you already had the account, you will see the same window as mine. Now if you look at here on the top bar, we have couple of sections. Like if you wanna create the blank board, like from scratch you wanna create your project, you can go with this one. If you wanna go create flowchart, you can click on this option. They'll give you further more option. If you click on that, you can see that the window is open and here you can create your flowchart. I don't want to create flowchart, so we'll just get back from that window. Then here you have the option for create mind map. Like many people prefer Miro in order to create mind map. You can do that too by clicking on this section. Here you have Kanban framework, then you have quick retrospective, brainwriting, roadmap planning, and so on. Now in order to create the wireframe, either you can do that from scratch by clicking on the blank board option, or also you can click on explore templates. And now here in the search bar, if we type wireframe, they'll give us a lot of templates. And like here you can see that restaurant website wireframe, website wireframing, e-commerce website wireframing. You can see a lot of templates are here and you can just explore them. You can see the preview, and whether you want to proceed with this template or not, you can like do that. Let's say we wanna go with this template, so before we use this, we'll just preview this by clicking on the preview button, and they'll give us the more info about this template. So if you like this template, you can just click on use template and they'll give you the template, and right from there you can just customize your template. That's it. In my case, I'm gonna create my template from scratch, so that's why I'm just gonna click on blank board. Still we have option to choose the template if you like. So let's say for the sake of this video, if I proceed with the template, how the things will work. So let's say I will proceed with this mobile app wireframe template. First let me get the preview. So the template is like this. Like the mobile app wireframe template helps you to take your ideation game to the next level. So let's say I wanna proceed with this template. This is how the template will look like. It's fulfilling my requirements, so that's why I'll just proceed with this. So for that I need to click on use template, and what will happen, they'll just open the template here right on this window, and right from here you can do any changes you like on this template. Let's say I want to change the name here. I can just click on that, double click on this, and you can just change your text just like this. You can change this button as well, double click on that. You can change the text. Similarly you can just make these boxes smaller, bigger. It is up to you, like whatever changes you want to do, you can just do that. Now for instance, we'll create the wireframe just right here on the screen. So for that what we need to do, just here click on this plus button, and here you need to activate the tool that is by the name of prototyping beta. Just click on that, and once you click on that, these three options will open. Like this is the prototyping beta option. Just click on that, and here you have three options: UI elements, icons, wireframes. So just because I'm gonna create my wireframe on phone, I'll just select the phone from here. Now I want three phones because my wireframes are like that. So we'll just copy this phone. For that, just click on the phone, click on these three dots. You'll see the option duplicate. Click on that. Again, I wanna duplicate this phone because in my case three phones are there. Click on the three dots. Here you need to click on duplicate, and yep, we have three phones now. and just right here we're gonna create the wireframes. So we'll create on the first phone. Firstly, in my wireframe there is a text here, so I can just click on text. I'll get the box and I am gonna type here login, and you can just click on the text and just move it here because it will be in the corner. I can just make it bigger and just put it here on the corner, and yeah, it is looking good. Now we're gonna add the box here because that gonna be for features. The box would be just right here in this section called wireframes. So we'll just go all the way to down. So this is the box which I'll add. So this is a box for placeholder. So I'm just gonna show you how you can use this feature. That's the whole point. So let's say I want to add this. I can just click on that and just shift it here in the center. I want to make it bigger, so go to corner, make it bigger just like this. Again, under this box we're gonna add the text, and to do this quickly you can just click on this text, hit Ctrl plus C, click on this area and just hit Ctrl plus V in order to paste the text which we have copied from here. And the text is like this, app feature. Okay, we'll just align this text in the center. To make it more appealing, we're gonna add the shapes here. I want circle shapes, so for that we'll click on this option here, and just cause we want circle shape, we click on this. Hold your shift key in order to create the perfect circle. Okay, now I can click on this empty area, click on this circle, click on these three little dots, click on duplicate, again click on these three little dots and again click on duplicate, because I want three circles here, and I can just make them like this. And also guys, you can select them at once just like this, and now align them. And also guys, keep in mind that using these icons you can add icons here. Let's say I want this bicycle icon, I can click on that and just right here I can get the bicycle. So it is up to you, whatever icons you want to add, whatever things you wanted to like put here, you can just use this icons section, wireframes, also UI elements. Like here in the UI elements you will see title, paragraph, header, also you will see oval section, rectangle. Couple of options are here and you can just use them in order to create your wireframes. So this is the option in order to add the button. So I wanted to add the register button here, so we'll just click on button. Now you can just place this button just here, and now you can just enter the text here. So register text I'm gonna type. Okay, now just make it bigger just like this. So this is all about the first phone. So I think we should maintain a space between these phones. For the navigation we'll use arrows, and the arrows you'll find in this option here. So here you'll see a couple of arrows. The one which I want to use is this one. Click on that, and from here I can just make the arrow. Okay, the arrow is looking good. Similarly, if you wanna like customize this arrow, you can do that too. Here you have the option for changing the type of the arrow. Click on that. The dotted arrow would look good. I'll just click on that, and yeah, you can see the arrow is successfully converted into dotted line, and that's what I wanted. Now guys, let's say you wanna create the second phone, and you can create the second phone wireframe pretty easily. For that, like you can just use the copy paste method, cause in the second phone I do need a login text again. I can just click on the login text, hit Ctrl plus C. Here we'll click on this area, hit Ctrl plus V, and it would be just right here. And to align it perfectly, you can just see those lines. Now here I wanted to add the create account text, so again we'll click on this one, hit Ctrl plus C, click on this area, hit Ctrl plus V, and we'll just rename this text to create account. Okay, and we'll just align it on the center. I wanted to put three boxes here, so for that we'll use this tool. Click on that, we got the box. Okay, and just put this box just right here. The best part is that you can just make this box to the size which you want. Okay, I want three of them, so for that we'll use the shortcut. Just hold your alt key and just drag this box downwards. Again hold your alt key and just drag it downwards. Now we're gonna maintain the space between these boxes so that we can add the text. Okay, this space will be enough. Now we're gonna insert the text. And also for the shortcut we'll use the same text which we have used here. Click on the text, hit Ctrl plus C, here Ctrl plus V. Now the text is user here, you can just make it smaller. Now we'll again follow the same process, just hold your Alt key, drag this downwards, and also to align this text with the box perfectly, for that you can use your arrows key from the keyboard. Okay, that would be so easier for you then. Now what I wanted to do is to add the register button just the way we added here. So we'll use the shortcut, hit Ctrl plus C and hit Ctrl plus V. We got the register button as it is the way we wanted. Now it's time for the third phone, and we again gonna add the arrow. So click on the arrow just like this, hit Ctrl plus C. Here we're gonna hit Ctrl plus V, and now the thing is that we want this arrow to go like this. So it is looking good. Now we're gonna add the profile icon. So for that we're gonna click on icons and just search here profile. I think this user circle will look good. Click on that and we'll just make it bigger and just align it on the center. Now guys, we're gonna add the welcome text here, and I'll just use welcome text by clicking on this text button, so that we'll get the different text. Like you will see couple of further options. Then let's say I type here welcome. Okay, now if we hit Ctrl plus A in order to select the complete text, we'll able to change the text color. Let's say we go with green. Also we can change the font. Let's say go with this one, make the font a bit bigger. You can change the alignment if you want, like to the corner, to the center, it's up to you. I can just align it on the center again. Now it's time for me to add couple of more things here, like I'm gonna add the search button. So for that we'll just cancel this first, and the search button will get from this window again in the wireframe section. The search button would be here. Here is that. Click on this. Now click on the empty area, click on this button again and put it here. I'll just rename it to something like explore. So everything is available, whatever you wanna add you can just add that. Like you just need to explore a bit. So let's say I wanna add here the check boxes, or you can say list. So for that I can just click on this check box and click on the empty area first. In order to access the box, click on this and just drag it here, select the text, hit car, hit enter. Then they'll give you more options again. This time I'm gonna type bike, hit enter. We'll type here truck. Okay, also if you wanted to check the boxes, for that you can just click on the box and they'll just check the box for you. To make this bigger, just go to corner and just make it bigger just like this, and similarly you can just align it to the center or to the right left, it's up to you. And yeah guys, we have successfully created the wireframe using Miro. So that's how you can create your wireframes too. Like it's so easy, you can copy paste things, you can move these things any way you like. Also you can select all these things at once and move it wherever you want. It's quite easy in Miro. And yeah, this is pretty much of it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing my YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.